Hello viewers, well, I just thought you'd like a quick look at the RAV4 engine, and I'll do a cold start of it. It's been sitting for quite a long time. When I got this car it didn't have air conditioning, so I installed it. So there's a compressor down there, all the lines in, condensing coil, and lines for the evaporator coil. It was a right nightmare to get all that in, I tell you. Alright, well, let's do a cold start. Got the manual transmission, 5-speed. It's got 108,000 kilometres. Let's see how it goes. Not bad. As you can see, the oil light took a long time to go out, so it needs a service.